Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar has once again taken on the Mamata government, this time over the attack on West Bengal BJP chief's convoy. Responding to this attack, Dhankar stated that the situation in the state is explosive. The governor further said that an atmosphere of political violence and vendetta is now prevailing in Bengal. Remember that yesterday Dilip Ghosh's convoy was attacked in the state's Alipurduar district. Stones were hurled, black flags were shown at the BJP state president's convoy. Two of the cars in this convoy were also damaged in this incident. TMC justified the attack, saying that Ghosh deserved it. Meanwhile, BJP's youth wing workers held a protest in Kolkata yesterday against the attack, also burnt an effigy of Chief Minister Mamata. The protest was led by the state youth wing president, Soumitra Khan. National Highway 60 was also blocked by protesters, leading to traffic disruptions.
We are in a very, very explosive situation. Threat to democracy is increasing day by day. Rule of law is nosediving. I cannot be a silent spectator. Have my assurance, election will be peaceful. Election will be according to law. कम वोट में और ये निश्चित रूप से होगा. जो लोग ये गलतफहमी में हैं कि अब तक जो होता है वो होता रहेगा.
मेरे ऊपर हमला कोई नई बात नहीं है. 50 बार हो चुका है और जितना हमला हुआ उतना बीजेपी बढ़ा और जितना वो घबरा रहे हैं, डर रहे हैं, हार रहे हैं, पीछे हट रहे हैं, पब्लिक से दूर जा रहे हैं, उतना बोखला आकर के हमारे ऊपर हिंसक आक्रमण कर रहे हैं.
सब समय मानुष के आजे बाजे भाषा बोलले मानुष मेने नेबे মানুষ মেনে নেবে না. সে কে রয়েছে না রয়েছে পরে হবে, ও ভাষা জ্ঞানকে ঠিক করুক. তাহলে মানুষেও যেমন গাড়ি ভাঙচুর করছে, দুদিন পর ছাগলে করবে, কুকুরে করবে, বিড়ালে করবে, সবাই করবে.
Indrajit Kundu is joining us live from Kolkata with more details on this. Indrajit, good morning. Not the first time that we're seeing the governor face off and square off against the government. Not the first time it's happening over law and order situation either. Has there been any reaction from the government to Governor Dhankar's response and his attack at the government?
Well, no official response coming in from the Trinamool Congress government, but we've seen how the Trinamool Congress reacts to these statements made by Governor Dhankar. In fact, yesterday, Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitro hit back at the governor, saying that he was on a vacation of North Bengal for several weeks. And while he was indulging in direct politics, that is the charge that has been leveled by the Trinamool Congress time and again. Several leaders of the Trinamool Congress coming out and hitting out at Governor Dhankar, saying that he's almost running a RSS Shaka from the Raj Bhavan and speaking as a spokesperson of the BJP. The governor, of course, once again upping his ante, and it's complete tirade against the state government, saying that the law and order machinery has completely broken down, even as we see unfolding attacks on the BJP leadership. However, as we just heard from Anubrata Mondal, the Trinamool strongman from Birbhum, in a sense, he's saying, he did not say who was behind the attack, but he said that Dilip Ghosh was responsible for such attacks because he was continuously using provocative statements while speaking at various rallies.
Okay, so that was the response from the TMC with regards to the attack, saying that Dilip Ghosh deserved it. Indrajit, thank you for joining us with all the details on that story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.